Hello everyone, you are at the Angular CDK Crash Course. In this video, you'll learn how to rearrange the data in the list. But before we start, please make sure you have an Angular project ready for your experiments and Angular CDK installed as we did in the previous video. Since we want to rearrange the data at the list, first of all, we need to create the list. So let's create the data array we want to render on the screen. Then, let's add a template to display the data and a bit of style. As you can see now, we have a list on the screen. However, we can't interact with it. Let's try to add CDK drag directive as we learned in the previous video. As you can see now, all the elements in the list became draggable. But it's not exactly what we want to have. All the elements draggable, but they are not connected with each other. To connect all the elements in the list, Angular CDK provides us with a CDK drop list directive. It groups all the draggable elements inside and allows us to rearrange the data. As you can see now, all the draggable elements work as intended. However, something is wrong here. Elements can return to their initial positions if we are trying to rearrange them. To fix that issue, we need to rearrange the data not only visually, but also at the data source. So when you drop an element at a specific position, you need to move it at that position at the data source. So firstly, let's listen to the drop event and rearrange the data as a reaction. To do so, Angular CDK provides us with a move item in array helper function that allows us to move the element from one position to another. Now, just enjoy it. The link to the source code is at the description. Like and subscribe to be notified about new videos. And thank you for watching.